11771 and then 11772. They're unrelated, however. So here goes 11771. While lm.hide, lm.offset, left x, top y equals lm offset dot left plus x, comma lm dot offset top plus y. Exclamation point! Exclamation point! Exclamation point! That's it. And Singer-Sohus wrote, if description.type equals confusing, issue.close invalid. And then, just by sheer happenstance, I came on this guy a second ago. 11772. Why jQuery post unlike PHP form action equals test PHP? I am very confused. In a reference file PHP. That's it. You know.
Oh.
Okay. Ticket 1552. This is an old one. Closed enhancement invalid. Handle HTML in memory. Register click event is invalid on newly created span by client script. Closed by John 5 years ago.
5 years ago. I think we got time for 182 more.
2. Rick stood up. 2. This one, I'll go quickly. I won't read the whole thing. So it's 11967. It's pending still. This is the code I'm executing. It's an AJAX function call. Caches off. Data type is JSON-P. There's a data filter. And then data is Q, colon, and then it's a string. Select star from JSON where URL equals HTTP something. And he's wondering, I don't even care what he's wondering.
So ever since the introduction of, or not introduction of, but the extension of the data API to HTML5 data attributes, it's been a never-ending fire hose of bug filings. So it gets a little old after a while. I'm really sick of closing these as duplicates. But the very first one, I'm actually going to jump all the way from the beginning to 4 months ago. And it starts off. So first of all, this bug is 7579, and I'm jumping to 11445 as a duplicate of this ticket. Dave's closing somebody else's ticket. About a month later, Anonymous comes along, and that's where we begin our story. Better to fix this now than have loads more people continue to implement this poor solution. I'm sure more people are running into problems with their code right now than would be if affected by the change because they're counting on this automatic type conversion. Worse yet, many don't even know about the problem until it hits them sometime in the future when they least expect it. To which I replied, can't be fixed without breaking core functionality. Posting more comments won't change that fact. Then, several weeks later, to about 4 weeks ago, Zuzule comes along and says, are you serious? How about not supporting those users that use data, thinking it will be treated as a string, like it should have been? And suddenly, when their numbers grow over a certain point, or one decides to enter a number that will be truncated, rounded, due to this, and gets the wrong behavior out of it, this will be a real mess to debug. If no one can come up with a real reason why this might break old code, why not implement it? There was enough time to think of a valid reason not to fix this huge flaw, which makes data obsolete and not reliable. Dave replies, at @dvizarogla, it would never break old code because the data API existed before HTML5 defined data at... Aw, shut up and read this article. Links to a learningjQuery.com article using jQuery's data APIs. Now, if anybody wants to know what it is people get really bent out of shape because they don't realize that JavaScript has a limit to the size of that numbers can be. Yes.
There we go. I need your help on that.
I'm right here.
I want you to read the bold ones. I'm going to read the
Bold ones?
You read the bold paragraphs. I'm
Oh my god, he has a script for me.
Hi, there is a bug with that. Oh, this is ticket 11527, and it's duplicates. I kind of combined them all.
Can you guys stand a little closer together?
So,
There you go.
hi, there is a bug with adder. Please don't say it doesn't matter. The error says like object needed. It acts as if it's not succeeded.
Thanks for this jQuery bug. We're really sorry. Have a hug. To analyze this ticket best, we sure could use some code to test. Oh, and just one more important bit, be sure to use jQuery-git.
That's not the point. It used to work. Just fix it now, you lazy jerk. So what you did, please just undo it. Because it's not right. You probably knew it.
Sorry that this has spoiled your day, but we can't make it go away. Your plugin fails, as you should see, and the cause is tiny MCE. Or by random luck, there's no attempt to pass the buck.
You think that only you are smart. I've got advice. Take this to heart. Your attitude is really smug. You don't know how to solve this bug. Don't tell us that a patch won't land. Don't tell us we don't understand.
There's news from TinyMCE releasing 3.5b3. It fixes adder bugs they knew about jQuery 172. So let's cut short this silly ballad and close this ticket as invalid.
That was the last one.